Good grades aren't about intelligence. They're about systems.
Here are 5 secrets that high-performing students know but never talk about.
Secret number 1, the 80-20 rule for studying. 80% of your exam will come from 20% of the material. Most students study everything equally. Big mistake. High-performing students identify the 20% that matters most and focus there. How to do this? Look at past exams, see what gets tested. Ask your teacher what topics are important, they'll tell you. Focus 80% of study time on those topics.
Use AI to find which topics appear most in textbooks. Result: you study 50% less but score way higher.
Secret number 2, spacing effect.
Studying for 6 hours straight equals 40% retention. Studying 1 hour per day for 6 days equals 85% retention. The brain forgets 50% of new info in 24 hours if you don't review.
High performers know this. They study short, then review the next day, then again 3 days later.
Use Quizlet AI or Anki to handle spacing automatically.
Your brain reviews at the perfect time.
Result: better retention, less total study time. Secret number 3, teaching others. Students who score highest actually teach the material to others or explain it out loud. Why?
When you teach, you realize what you don't know. You fill gaps. High performers explain concepts to friends, find their weak points.
Record videos explaining topics, YouTube effect. Write blog posts on topics, forces clarity. Teach younger students, massive learning boost. Use ChatGPT to practice, I'm going to explain photosynthesis.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
Result: 2x better understanding than just reading.
Secret number 4, sleep after studying. Your brain consolidates memories during sleep.
If you study for 1 hour, then sleep 8 hours, your brain processes that information during sleep.
High performers study at night, then sleep on it. Their brain literally saves the file while sleeping.
Low performers cram the morning of exam, no sleep equals no memory consolidation. Simple hack: study yesterday evening, sleep, take exam next day. Result: 15 to 25% higher scores just from timing. Secret number 5, using AI to find your weak points. Instead of studying everything, study only what you don't know.
But most students don't know what they don't know.
High performers use AI, upload past exam papers to Claude AI.
Ask it to find patterns in wrong answers. Focus only on those topics.
Use AI to explain those specific topics. Retake tests until 95% plus result, no wasted study time.
Everything you study improves your score.
The real secret: grades aren't about working harder.
They're about working smarter. Use these 5 systems and I guarantee your grades improve. 1.
Focus on the 20% that matters, 80-20.
2. Space your studying, spacing effect. 3.
Teach others, teach to learn. 4. Sleep after studying, sleep consolidation. 5. Target weak points only, AI analysis. All 5 of these take less time than regular studying but produce way better results.
Which secret are you going to try first? Comment below. And if you implement all 5,
your GPA might improve by a full point.
I'm serious.
Subscribe to LearnFast AI Academy, we teach the strategies schools don't.